My dear brothers and sisters, the life of Prophet Hosea in relation to the life of Israel was very much interconnected. Hosea's marriage to his wife Gomer was symbolic. Not only that, the names of his children were also part of prophetic sign. He named his children Jezreel, means judgment. Lo Ruhama means no pity. And Lo Ammi means not my people. Hosea's faithfulness to his wife represents God's steadfast covenant with Israel. And Gomer's adulterous life or unfaithfulness represents Israel's idolatry and breaking of the covenant. In today's gospel, we have seen Jesus healing the daughter of that synagogue leader, and also the woman suffering from bleeding, chronic bleeding. In the first miracle, that healing of the daughter, Matthew represents Jesus as the Lord of life. And in healing of the woman suffering from hemorrhage, Jesus comes across as a person who takes pity on the people who are marginalized by illness, shame, and exclusion.